So I'm going to show the fried potatoes with very minimum oil and minimum spices. So let's start this. So I will add this oil, 2 tablespoons oil. So I'm just waiting this oil to be heated up, and then after the oil heated up a little bit, then I will put flame down. Now it's kind of hot, so I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of cumin and very tiny hing. Just let it cook. The cumin will smell nice aroma will come, and the nice aroma is coming now. So what I can do, I can just put these potatoes slowly so you don't get burned, and at this time you will put the flame down because you have to cook them with slow flame. So mix them nicely. Do not put salt in beginning because salt will release the water, and since this is a steel pot, they will burn quickly at the bottom. So I will just let it cook. Just let it cook like this, open, no need to cover, otherwise the water will come, the evaporation will happen, and this will at the bottom, this will burn quickly. So just let cook on the slow flame. Time to time we need to turn it like stir it just to check if it is not burning, and then we will see. So you see how they are cooked. You see they are cooked, but they are not breaking. So they can go inside very easily, but they are not breaking. So that little hardship should be there when we are making boiling these potatoes. So now it's almost cooked. You can see this is all cooked, and at this point I'll put the flame down and I will add, it is half teaspoon salt, and then you put little bit mango powder. So it's like half teaspoon mango powder. Just sprinkle on top. You see the potatoes are ready. I did not use so much oil. Just use the technique that you do not add salt immediately. So they are ready, they are cooked very well, and they are ready to go with parathas. So let's make paratha now. If you want, you can add little bit black pepper on top. If you want, you can sprinkle little paprika. You can sprinkle little bit red chili powder, and you can garnish with basil little bit. You can garnish with cilantro little bit. You can garnish with rosemary little bits. It tastes, the aromas, how you have you take the aroma, it depend on you. So just be a little creative. So this is ready now. This looks like a blueberry yogurt. Purple cabbage yogurt dipping is ready. So parathas is ready. Our complete dish is ready with the yogurt, purple cabbage and potato and our paratha. And we'll see you again in next video. Namaskar.